create a new campaign, click on the Campaigns button on the toolbar or select Campaigns from the PrintQuote Pro menu. Then click on the Create Campaign button. First, give the campaign a title. Then we add the subject, and we can insert a field from the client. In this case, we'll use first name. Then we select one of the email accounts you have entered previously into the Email SMS tab of the Preferences. An unsubscribe email address can be selected from those previously entered into the Preferences on the Email SMS tab as well. You can set up a separate unsubscribe account for each campaign if you wish. Then you can keep track of people that wish to not be included in a specific campaign. When sending emails, it can take around a minute or so to send each email, and this can be sped up by selecting additional processes to send emails. And these processes are independent of each other so that the emails can be sent to the email server to be processed simultaneously. So we can choose the number of simultaneous emails to be sent from the drop-down menu, and we can click on the question mark button to check the amount of available memory and how much memory the selected number of processes will require. When sending out email campaigns, a keyword can be attached to the client record to facilitate the identifying of the clients who have received a specific email campaign at a later date. This gives control over your email campaigns and who receives them. Click on the Keyword button, KW button, to enter the keyword to identify this campaign. We can also add the date and time. To clear the keyword field, we just click on the C button. There are various types of emails that can be sent to clients. There are 4 types. 1, text file on disk. 2, an HTML file on disk. A prepared letter on disk, and a letter in plain text. To choose a document, we'll choose an HTML file on disk. The benefit of sending HTML files is that we can have graphics and a lot of the markup that is available in HTML code. So we choose the HTML document by clicking on the ellipsis button, and we navigate to the email template. We also have the facility to attach files to the campaign email. So click the Attach button to select a file on the disk you wish to attach to the email. You have the facility to attach as many number of files you wish to the email, but you must also take into consideration whether the email is going to be too cumbersome. Otherwise the client may just delete it if it's problematic to download on their computer. Also, the number of files and the total of the attachment are displayed. To detach an attachment, first select it in the drop-down menu and then click on the Detach button. You'll be asked to confirm the deletion of that from the drop-down menu. Now it's no longer attached. So we're going to attach that again. Once you're satisfied with the settings and details of your campaign, you can carry out a test by clicking on the Test Email button. You'll be asked to select a company you have in your list of clients, and it's a good idea to have a test company with your email address in your client list to use for testing emails and SMS messages and campaigns. When it's sending the email, in the status bar below, which is not on the screen at the moment, you'll get a status message telling you at what stage the email is of being sent. And once it's sent, a message will let you know it was sent successfully. And just click OK. Click OK to your campaign. If you have to create a campaign that's very similar to a previous campaign you've created, you can save time by duplicating a campaign. First, open the campaign, click on Duplicate this campaign button, and you'll be asked to give the campaign a new name. Click OK, and that will be the currently selected campaign. Then you can make your changes and click OK to save them. Then once you're finished, click Done.